Hey, hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to make a Christmas card using so let's see what are the required materials. So we need the inset cards and Cricut Joy, card mat and the Cricut tools which are needed. Okay, so now I will show you how to design one card from scratch in the Cricut design space. So let's open the Cricut design space. So this is how it will open when you click on the Cricut design space. So I'm going to click a new. So these are some of the saved project which I have already done. So this is the Christmas card which I'm going to show how to make them. Now I will click on, so this is the card which I'm going to show how I am design this card. So open the project. Okay, it's not opening up. Okay, let's see. So whenever some predefined cards are already there in design space, but if you want any new card to be done on your own, so first open one worksheet and go to the images. You can search for insert card template. So these are the different templates. So the one which I have chosen, so another thing is the lots of 12,000 images are there. I am going to choose the free one which Cricut is providing. So in the filter condition I am adding the choosing the Cricut creator and I come, so it's these are a free templates. So this is the design I'm going to choose. I am adding them to the canvas, add canvas, then view. So now, so you can see the 1026.6 into 13.4, so which is the size of the insert card template. So now you can see in inches as well. So 4 into 525. So this is the card which I am going to use. Now I am going to add one image inside this one. I am going to choose this Christmas tree, which is my design. So now inside this, in the center, I'm going to add this one. I'm making it a little smaller so I can add the text Merry Christmas. So again in the text, Merry Christmas, I'm going to change the font. The free one, free as well as cozy. So I'm taking this font. So since the font is very thin, I'm giving some offset. Like 0.003 or 4 something. So it will make the font little thick. So done. And okay, so now it's thick enough to cut. So this is the card template is now ready. Let's load the card into the machine. So I'm going to pick the green color insert card. So it will be green color card. but the insert is not the plain one. I will choose some holographic effect card, this one. So this is the combination it will be. Let's keep this aside. Open the machine. Pull in the card. So in the card mat, I always remove the thin layer of sheet in the top. So once you remove this one, insert the card inside this. Make sure it went at the top. This line we need to cover. So go to the top. So now it's ready. Now it's on the machine. So in this one, go to make it. So since we are using the card mat, we need to choose the option on card mat. This one, confirm. So it will show in this way. So the default size is 4.5 inches into 6.5. So that was the biggest one. So we are inserting the smaller one. Actually, it's a medium one. So you can see all these are splitted in different card. So what I did is, okay, so we need to group and attach them so that it will come on the same mat. So once it attached, make it on preload cards. So now it's coming in a single mat. So now I'm going to next. So it's a loading. Sometimes if you are doing the first time cut, it will ask for the machine name, else it will go directly into it. So I already bookmarked a few settings, but now we are going to do the insert card. So I'm going to all materials and scroll down. Sorry, it's here, the cardstock, insert cardstock. That's the correct option for doing the greeting cards. Now it's asking to load the fine point blade. So it's already loaded in the machine. So I am going to insert this card mat. Now the machine will check the size of the material, the card mat size, whether we have inserted properly. So once it's done, it will ask for next step. Press go. So it's preparing cutting. It will start. So now the cutting is completed. It will ask to unload the material. Give OK. So it will automatically come out of the machine. Don't pull without giving that option. So now you can see little bit the cuts were not clear. That is because the card was not sticked properly in that mat. Now I am going to just take this out. So most of the part will stick here itself, that extra part. Some more will stuck in the card that we can remove with the help of this beading tool. So now I weighted every pieces of them. This Mary alone little messed up, but still it's fine. So now once the card has been removed, I'm going to keep this inside like this. This corner lightly it should go in, and this side it should be this corner. So this is why we need to always choose some insert card template, so the corners will be perfect to insert our backer. So it's done. So the simplest card. Hope you like my video. Subscribe and check other videos. You can always connect me with in Instagram for if you have any doubts. Thank you.